Boloni, Jinan, International Trade Company Limited, located in Jinan, Shandong Province, is an integrated company covering the full chain of R&D, design, sales, and after-sales service. The company specializes in advanced filling and packaging equipment, which are widely applied in the food, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. Our factory, Shandong Filling Automation Equipment, located in Liaochang, Shandong Province, is equipped with departments for R&D, production, quality control, and service. With a strong technical team and modern facilities, the company ensures every equipment meets strict international standards. So far, our products have been exported to more than 60 countries and regions including North America, Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and Australia. All of our machines have obtained CE certification issued by the European Union, guaranteeing compliance and quality. We actively participate in well-known international exhibitions such as ProPack, Gulf Good Manufacturing, showcasing our latest technology and expanding cooperation opportunities. At present, we have established agents in the Middle East and Europe who are able to provide professional installation, commissioning, and after-sales services locally. Boloni is committed to offering turnkey solutions for filling and packaging. Our main project areas include lubricants, edible oils, protein powders, crate, sauces, laundry detergents, and other products. Innovation is the driving force of our development. Product quality is the foundation of our reputation, and excellent after-sales service is our long-term promise. Through the Filling Auto brand, we aim to serve more global customers with reliable and efficient equipment. We sincerely look forward to your cooperation and visit.